Hey, welcome back guys. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Today we're going to be doing a maintenance work, changing the cabin filter on the TSX. As you can see behind me, I have not replaced it since we got the car. I had about 27,000 miles on it, and now it's all the way up to about 85. So if the dealer would replaced it at that time, they replaced it. It's a very fairly quick, you don't need any tools. You can have a flathead screwdriver if you need to. It will cost you, depending on what filter you get, anywhere between $12 and $40 if you want a high-end, top-of-the-line air cabin filter. But again, you can also clean it with a vacuum cleaner, brush, and so forth, and then reuse it if it's not super dirty. But since I've not done it, I actually wanted to do it. I wanted to replace it and then go from there. So let me get the camera started inside the car, get some lighting going, and then I'll show you how it's done. Open up your glove box. Once you open it, you might have this tray which sits like up here. So pull towards you. So basically pull towards me and pull it out. It's simply hooked on by clips, and I'll show you because I was just doing this. So you'll see how there's a clip right here, this clip, and these indents on the bottom, and this was on the other side. So it just comes literally comes out. If you don't have this, you don't have to worry about it, but basically this sits on the edge like this, and it goes in. So just take it out. So now you'll notice there's this bar right here, or this plate. There's a push tab here and a push tab on this side. So all you need to do is take your push tab, push. Also, one thing if you want to keep in mind is if you look at this airflow, it's saying air is flowing downwards. So when you put the new filter in, you also have to match this airflow. All you're going to do is, again, pull on this side, pull on this side, and this tray of air filter comes out. And I'll show you what mine looks like right now. Sorry for the angle. I'm holding the camera and trying to do this. But as you can see, it is somewhat dirty and has a lot of stuff in it. If you truly wanted to, you could take this, vacuum it, clean it with a brush and so forth. But since I have not done this, what I wanted to completely do is just replace it. Okay, so what I ended up doing was, guys, I ended up going to CarQuest, Advanced Auto, and getting a CarQuest cabin filter. The reason I ended up getting this brand is it was $14. You can go at range anywhere from $12 to $40. If you feel like it, go get a $40 Canon filter. You can get a Honda filter, or if you're gonna go to any other store, get whatever brand you want to. To me, it didn't matter the brand loyalty or what brand it was. It's a cabin filter. It's going to do the job. If yours is not super dirty, you can even clean it like I mentioned before. But I needed to replace it because the car has about 85,000 miles on it. So now we're going to do is, like I mentioned, there's an airflow line. You have to make sure the airflow is flowing down and the line on the cabin filters matches as well. So I'm going to put the camera down, take the filter box out, replace the air filter, and put it in, and I'll show you guys. As you can see, there's also an arrow down here. So we're going to essentially put this in here. And it goes in. There are inside there little indents that you can fit the car in, and it goes in. So once it's in, all you're gonna do is let me do this. We're gonna take this and push it back in. It goes in. I looked at mine just before I push it back in. You can also look inside yours how dirty it is, and if it needs to be cleaned out or not. I checked mine and it does not need to be cleaned out, so I didn't vacuum it. But if you wanted to, you could vacuum this area down here and go that way too. So we're gonna push it down, push it back in, and again, it just clips in. You're done there. Once you are done with that, all you're gonna do is take this piece
Again, if you notice, it has indents on the bottom, so this is going to go on the bottom side here. And you push it in, and it clips in, and you're done. That's all that needed to be done. You're done with the air filter. Now you're going to take your tray, which is here, and again, like I was mentioning earlier, if you notice, there are these holes here and little lip. This goes on top of the lip, and it goes in, it clicks, and that's it. And now you can put your stuff back, and you're done. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. It's a very simple job. It takes 2 minutes. If you don't want to go to the dealerships and pay a ridiculous amount changing the cabin filter, you can do it yourself. Or if they did it, that's great. That's up to you. I just wanted to share a quick, it should not take you more than 2 minutes. I know video took me a lot longer. But thank you guys. Have a great day.